Hi guys, welcome back for another video. It's Mike. Today I'm bringing you a quick unboxing video here. Actually, I guess more of a unbagging video. I got a special delivery here all the way from Australia. Epic PC Cases has sent this to me. They actually had a little competition going on recently on their Facebook page. Anyone could email in their rig, and they posted it on their page, and whichever one got the most likes won. And I happened to get it, so pretty freaking cool. Just got my delivery from them, and let's find out exactly what they sent me here. Nothing too spectacular, but definitely something I'm very interested in. It's some UV reactive EK coolant here, which actually is going to work out perfectly for my build. This is a concentrate, so you add it to your distilled water. But yeah, just wanted to quickly show this to you guys, and we'll be adding it to the build and see how it does. Alright, so I did just want to give you a quick peek at where this is going to be going real fast here because my battery's about to die. I will be making a detailed video pretty soon. Sorry, I've been kind of slow to getting around to it. The build has been done, but here's a quick look at it. As you can see right now, I'm just using distilled water, so throwing the UV reactive coolant in there will be very nice. And I do have to tear some stuff out of there anyway, so it'll be a perfect opportunity to add this. So stay tuned guys, and we'll be getting some work done.